Everybody's John Old Man Outdoors, and welcome to another video. Friday, August the 4th, Lake Tyler, Texas. We're going to do some brim fishing today. Air temperature today right now is 84 degrees. Water temperature is 89.6, 6:36 in the AM. We're going to be using a little Lew's spinning rod, ultralight, with a little PC fun. I believe that's how you pronounce it, rod and reel. We'll talk about that a little bit later on. We're going to be using, as always, panfish magnets. Let's see what we can get us some brim going here this morning. So we got us one. We got us one. Can we get him in the boat? I think we get him in the boat. Got us another one. Little small one. I think that may be all that's in this little cove over here, these little small ones that flip all over the place and get down in there. Bet you go back, grow up, be a big boy. That's not a fish. I believe that is a fish. Another little fish. Yank him out of the side over there. I'm doing good about catching a bunch of small ones, but I don't have any for the frying pan yet. Oh, we got another little bitty one. All I'm catching are these little bitty, that's a little bitty bass. That's a little bitty bass. Come here, come here. Get you back there. We might catch you someday down the road. Well, one thing is for certain, we're not setting any lake records today. Well, that's going to put a wrap on this one. We're going to be heading back to the boat dock. Caught quite a few fish, little bitty dinks, but that's all right. We've enjoyed the morning, been out here for about a couple of hours. Lake is peaceful. It's Friday, August the 4th. Water temperature is going up just a little bit, 90.1. Sun's coming up behind me. Get over here just a little bit, won't be quite so bright. We're going to turn in the boat dock, load up one slow boat here. Hey, until we see you again, get out and enjoy yourself. Doesn't take much money, doesn't take much time, but the peace, relaxation, that is absolutely priceless. Hey, until we meet again, this is John, retired old man. Get out and enjoy God's great outdoors. We'll catch you on the next video.